Namaste, mere yaars. We're here watching Panchayat Season 1, Episode 5.
Oh, yeah, we're still in Season 1. Okay.
Yeah.
We're rolling.
Isn't that amazing? I'm Vivian Day, here with
Brandon Sheely.
the amazing, the great. And you know what to do. As always, if you want to watch the whole thing, you gotta go join our patreon.com/cinejump. You'll get the full thing. You'll need your own copy, but other than that, you need to be hanging out with us for the whole 35 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get started. Are you cooking?
Dang, man.
He's like cooking. With the
gourd.
Heck yeah. So good. I'm drooling. Aww.
He misses it. By himself.
Domestic life.
Cooking for one.
Share a meal then.
Yeah.
There
Great
you go.
idea.
Where's the pradhan? Some snacks.
Mm-hmm.
He's open late.
Yeah, right? Surprisingly.
Hey.
क्या चाहिए?
बियर मिली
कितना बोतल?
Just one.
8 बजे के बाद दुकान बंद
At
हो
least
जाएगी
2.
और उसके बाद जितना मर्जी खटखटाइएगा खुलेंगे नहीं।
Okay, you better get what you
That's
need
right.
now.
चलिए 2 दे दीजिए कौन कौन सी है
रेडी है?
You're looking at it.
Hold this.
वो है यही।
Those are big bottles.
320।
इसमें तो 150 लिखा है
तो 20 रुपए ठंडा करने का नहीं लेंगे।
Oh, true.
Uh-huh. Hey, man, I got to make a profit here.
That's right.
पहला बियर थोड़ा तेजी में गटकिएगा वरना क्या होता है कि जब तक दूसरी का नंबर आता है ना गर्म हो जाती है।
Good advice.
Some people don't care.
No.
No one to drink with.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
He was missing something.
Beer and snacks.
Now he's good.
Yeah. That's right.
Got one chair for my feet
That's right.
and one chair for my eat.
I'm having fun too, friends.
Yeah, right?
And covering the brand.
Why?
Oh my God.
And nobody to tag.
Right? Party of one. Oh.
Come
I
on,
like
you got to
that.
get one of your buddies. Oh, he's not.
Social media is
Not gonna
dumb
do
when you're out here.
I know, right?
Oh no. We hung over.
Hungover, yeah.
It's probably lightweight now.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Mom. Oh, it's an alarm. 9:20. Wow, he really slept in.
Wow. I know, it's afternoon already.
Oh, man.
No.
That sucks.
I go to the pump.
Yeah. That headache.
His eyes haven't even opened yet.
So accurate.
Oh, there's going to be someone there.
Who's going to scream in his face first thing?
Oh, dang.
Whoops.
Littered. Wait a minute.
Uh-oh. He didn't lock up.
Uh-oh. Computer?
Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah, computer. Oh, the monitor.
Man. Wait, they just took the monitor.
Man.
What the heck?
All right, search everyone's house.
Thievery. Damn, it's still dusty over there.
हमेशा अपने लिए ही मांगती रहती हूँ भगवान से कभी हमारे लिए भी मांग लिया करिए
I need some prayers.
बताइए ना क्या मांगना है मांग लेते हैं
Go ahead.
अरे जो मन में आए मांग लिया
See?
ये क्या बात है सोचे भी हम ही और मांगे भी हम ही
Yeah. Who prays for me?
हाँ सचिव जी कहिए नींद ठीक से आया
Oh, yeah.
नाश्ता किए हैं? हैं? कैसे हो गया
That's a huge deal.
You right?
हाँ अभी पहुँचते हैं
क्या हुआ
अरे तुमको बता के क्या कर लेंगे पहला तुम एक काम करो जल्दी वहाँ
Says it.
Oh,
Hello.
man. All points bulletin.
मारना पहले ऑफिस पहुँचो जब भी फोन करो
This is important. Cut it off.
Every time I call you, man, you're pooping or eating.
खाली मॉनिटर चोरी होने का बात नहीं है बात ये है कि आप
Principal.
दारू पी के दरवाजा बंद करना भूल गए
प्रधान जी सॉरी बोला तो
बहुत बढ़िया सॉरी
It's for
आप
7
इसे
months,
उठवा दीजिए
right?
और सॉरी बोल दीजिए इस ससुर अंग्रेज सॉरी ऐसा छोड़ के गए हैं
Oh, my
कर
gosh.
दीजिए और सॉरी बोल के किनारे से निकल जाइए
Oh, no.
Wow.
आज मॉनिटर चोरी गया है कल को ऑफिस से कुछ भी चोरी चला जाएगा हैं इतना जरूरी कागज पत्तर रखा
Clearly.
Yeah.
We can tell.
देखिए ये लापरवाही हम बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे आप फौरन जाइए यहाँ से
Dressing you
मकौनी
down.
बाजार और अपने लिए कमरा ढूंढिए जाइए
Oh wow.
no.
Got kicked out.
रहने दीजिए ना, अकेला आदमी है।
अरे जब ससुर हमको सिखा रहा है कि अकेला है
Come
तो अकेला
on.
हमको दिखाई नहीं देता क्या बीजी ना बोलना समझे
He'll come around.
अब पहला तुम इनके साथ जाओ और जाके रिपोर्ट लिखाओ
Oh my
2
god.
मिनट मैदान हो गया जा जो भी करना
I
है
didn't
रास्ते में करना
get. I didn't finish, man. I gotta finish my poop.
Poor guy.
My
casual.
clothes will tear.
Let me take a drink real quick.
Let me hydrate.
मॉनिटर मोटा वाला था या पतला वाला?
पतला है सर, पतला।
पतला वाला। रंग?
काला।
कद?
Oh my god. Messing.
Oh man.
Oh man.
अच्छा, मॉनिटर कौन सी कंपनी का था?
Off brand.
याद नहीं है ना? नहीं होता है, अक्सर लोग भूल जाते हैं।
Right.
सरकारी संपत्ति थी।
Obviously not a gamer.
Mm-hmm. Obviously.
दास को फोन कर लेते हैं, बता देगा कौन सी कंपनी का है क्या।
प्रहलाद जी, कोई जरूरत नहीं है, ये तो कागजी कार्रवाई के लिए पूछ रहे थे। वैसे कहाँ मिलने वाला है अब वो?
Yes, it's gone.
अरे भाई, अभी हाल ही में एक चोरी हुई थी। चोर जो है पेटी लेकर भागा। अब पेटी का वजन इतना ज्यादा था कि वहीं खेत में छोड़ के
Oh my gosh.
मॉनिटर तो उतना भारी नहीं होता।
अरे फिर भी
Okay.
अरे हम क्यों तलाश करें, तो आपका काम है ना।
Do you want it or not?
ये सही।
Ah, clever.
आपका काम तो सिर्फ दारू पी के सरकारी संपत्ति लुटाना है।
Oh, who was doing their job?
ओम प्रकाश भैया, इंक्वायरी करने कोई आएगा क्या?
दरोगा साहब अभी बैल ढूंढने में लगे हैं। जाएंगे
Oh,
वहीं।
a bull.
दोपहर के बाद।
Straight up stole a bull. That one Wolf said us? Just tell him.
I don't know why that's so hilarious in the background.
Because he's getting railed on.
Oh man.
वो काम है, थोड़ा रूम देखना है मार्केट में।
सचिन जी, प्रधान जी की बात का इतना बुरा मान गया।
Oh.
कह रहे हैं तो बदल लेते हैं रूम।
सचिव जी, चलिए ना, छोड़िए ना।
He's just mad.
प्रहलाद जी आप जाइए ना, मैं
Just
आता
saying
हूँ।
it just to say it.
He'll cool off.
I love him. So cute.
ना हम जाएंगे, ना आपको कहीं जाने देंगे, ठीक है? आप चलेंगे गांव हमारे साथ।
It's final.
सचिव जी, एक बात बताइए, इस महीने के बीच में कहाँ जाकर घर ढूंढेंगे? महीने के अंत में जाइए, ढूंढ ले, अगले महीने शिफ्ट कर जाइएगा।
And he would have
Good
forgiven it by
point.
then.
Yeah, for sure.
और सचिव जी, टेंशन मत लीजिए, एफआईआर कॉपी के साथ एप्लीकेशन लगेगा, नया मॉनिटर आ जाएगा।
कितना टाइम लगेगा?
Just a
छह
month.
महीना
or
एक साल
two.
होगा बस।
A year.
Oh my god. Man, just go order a monitor, man. Poor guy.
Right.
He just wanted to have some relaxing time.
And is he paranoid now?
Yeah.
God.
जवान लड़का है गलती हो गया जाने दीजिए ना
तुम लोग तो उन्हीं का साइड लो
दारू पी के आप काम कांड किए हैं का
Called out.
हम कौन सा कांड किए हैं भाई क्या किए हैं
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Yeah.
विकास का बारात में जब लौंडा डांस हो रहा था।
Oh no.
Specifically
What'd you do?
speaking.
किए हैं?
क्या किए थे
अरे जो भी किए वहाँ
Don't say it out loud.
कब फालतू का काम लेके बैठ गए हो इधर आओ बोरा में गेहूं डालो
Big boy. Go do
बस
something
में
else.
खाए नहीं है सचिव जी।
अरे नहीं खाए तो हम क्या करें उनके मुंह में ठूस दें
और सुनिए ये पीसने को दिया
Come on, you old softy.
बोलिएगा इस बार बारीक पीसेगा पिछली बार बहुत मोटा पीस दिया था
He's already worrying about it, feeling bad.
He's thinking about it. Yep.
कितना बोतल बियर पी लिए थे कि दरवाजा बंद करने का होश ही नहीं रहा।
2 बोतल।
कहाँ बैठ के पी रहे थे?
यहाँ यहीं बाहर बैठ।
क्या बाहर? कहाँ बैठ के पी रहे थे?
Where else am I gonna drink?
माहौल अच्छा था तो बाहर ही लगा के।
अरे फिर तो टंकी
You
के ऊपर
should
चाय
have.
पीना चाहिए।
The view.
He probably would have fallen
और
off.
बढ़िया दिखता ना।
This is true.
तो ड्यूटी ज्वाइन किए हुए 4 महीना हो गया है लेकिन अभी तक एक बार नहीं
4
चढ़े।
months
Oh
already.
wow.
कहाँ है?
Scared of heights.
Maybe.
टंकी पे
Gotta
चढ़ाई
be.
ज़्यादा रहती है, दिक्कत होती है तो।
Maybe you can see into the fields.
Maybe.
छत से तो गांव और सुंदर दिखाई देगा ना।
बहुत सुंदर दिखाई देता है। ऊपर से चढ़ के देखिएगा तो एक बार में लव हो जाएगा।
लाभ हो जाएगा आपको।
Uh-huh.
Oh, he's not ready to fall.
आपको टंकी के छत पे चढ़ के पीना चाहिए।
ठीक है सर, अगली बार टंकी पे चढ़ेंगे। कुछ और पूछना है आपको?
Ooh.
Dang, man.
Don't you guys dust?
Is it dust or is that from the wedges? This is scientific, man.
Okay, I gotta adjust that. Oh my god, I love this. I'm working, fellas.
Out of the way.
Don't need to run. Just stroll on by.
ये वाला कमरा आपका है?
हाँ जी
Commitment.
Oh, this.
Commitment. That's great work.
Oh, I love it.
मतलब काला रंग का जूता भी आपके पास.
Okay.
Never
Matches the
polish it.
monitor.
Logical reasoning for.
Oh my god.
CAT.
Where is this going?
I don't know.
एमबीए की तैयारी भी कर रहा हूँ साथ में तो उसी की बुक्स वगैरह हैं।
जिंदगी में
Oh
He's
my
suspicious,
gosh.
yeah.
Yeah.
सब कुछ ही होता है
Oh my god.
चाहिए तो सभी को होता है. खैर दारू रोज चलती है.
सर 4 महीने हो गए ज्वाइन किए हुए कल पहली बार पी थी
What is this?
I mean, the liquor guy would know.
प्रधान जी कहाँ हैं?
Huh?
अरे एक बार तुम खुद इतना पी लिए थे, टाइट हो गए थे कि अपने घर का दरवाजा ही बंद करना भूल गए।
एक बार
ज्यादा पीने से ऐसा हो सकता है, लेकिन 2 बोतल में इतना नहीं होना चाहिए।
अरे कैपेसिटी कम है उनका और का।
फिर भी 2 बोतल में इतना टाइट,
I mean,
they were big balls.
ये भी तो हो सकता है कि शराब गेट खुला छोड़ने का बहाना हो। हैं?
They're invested in the back.
Right?
Look.
there I knew.
सचिन जी का कंप्यूटर चोरी कराएंगे? हैं?
लोग चोरी चकारी काहे करते हैं? पैसा।
उनको पैसे कमी है क्या? 20,000 की नौकरी है, मोटरसाइकिल है।
He's so rich.
पैसा है, नौकरी है, तो फिर काहे कर रहे हैं एमबीए की तैयारी? महत्वाकांक्षा है भाई।
God, what a picture you painted.
जो आदमी 4 महीने में शराब न पीए,
Man, there's always people putting stuff in
वो
his
जिस
head.
रात शराब
Right.
पीता है, ठीक उसी रात को कंप्यूटर चोरी हो जाता है।
Okay.
It's a monitor, not the computer.
चोरी वाली रात को वो शराब काहे पिए थे?
और हमें क्या पता क्या पिए थे?
नहीं बताइए।
Why does anyone get drunk on any night?
अरे जो पिए है उससे पूछिए ना काहे पिए।
Okay.
दरोगा जी कह रहे हैं कि कंप्यूटर आपने पार कराया है। दारू तो खाली बहाना था ताकि रात का दरवाजा
My
खुला।
gosh.
दिमाग खराब हो गया है क्या आप लोगों का
It's not even like an expensive monitor.
At all.
कल ही रात को आप शराब काहे पिए थे?
मूड ऑफ था इसलिए पी
काहे मूड ऑफ था?
अरे काहे मतलब क्या होता है मूड ऑफ किस लिए होता है किसी आदमी का
He was in a mood. What, there's a chair right there.
I know, huh? Gotta sit close.
देखिए प्रधान जी, नो आंसर।
मूड ऑफ था क्योंकि मैं रोज यार एक रूटीन फॉलो करता हूँ सुबह उठो दिन भर काम करो रात में पढ़ाई करो दिन भर गांव वालों का चिक चिक रात को लाइट का चिक चिक ऊपर से कल फ्राइडे नाइट थी
हर छठे दिन में संसार में
वीकेंड होता है सर लोग पार्टी करते हैं वीकेंड पे और मैं क्या करता हूँ लॉक ही छील रहा था यहाँ पे काम के बाद एक आदमी नहीं होता यहाँ बात करने के लिए पूरा गांव 7 साढ़े 7 हो जाता है ना मेरा कोई फ्रेंड है ना कोई फैमिली है यहाँ
Poor
ना कोई
guy.
सोशल लाइफ है
Poor guy.
अकेले बैठे आदमी दारू ना पिए तो क्या करेगा बताइए
Finally speaking up.
That's how he's coping.
हो गया मूड ऑफ पी ली दारू गिरफ्तार करेंगे लीजिए करिए करिए हथकड़ी पहनाइए कहाँ है आपकी हथकड़ी पहनाइए कर लीजिए गिरफ्तार पटक दीजिए थाने में जाके कुछ तो इंटरेस्टिंग होगा लाइफ में
Damn.
Oh.
Damn.
I believe him, guys.
Feeling it.
प्रधान जी
Oh
my
my
gosh.
God, stop.
007 here.
थाने ले जाके 4 को डंडा
He's just hungry for.
He wants to beat him.
वो लापरवाह हो सकते हैं, चोर नहीं।
Nice.
हमको आदमी की पहचान है। अब जाइए।
Nice. Go. You heard him.
He feels bad. His wife knows right away.
His eyes are. Look
Hello?
at his eyes.
विकास, देखना जरा सच्ची जी ने खाना खाया।
Feels bad.
हाँ,
His
क्या बोले
eyes are
सच्ची?
killing me right now.
Oh no.
Both of them.
Hey man, you guys got to go over there and cheer him up.
2-4 रोटी और बना दे।
Oh, she already knows. Wifey knows.
his look.
सचिव जी एक बात बताइए आज का ये जो समीक्षा है वो आपके वीकेंड में आता है
I'm gonna cry. That's so sweet. Ah!
Hey!
Oh my gosh.
3 लोगों का एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना
Oh, cool.
हम लोग का जब भी थोड़ा सा मतलब मन करता है
Ah.
Sweet.
खाली हाय कर देते हैं तो हम सोच रहे हैं कि आपको भी उसमें ऐड कर रहे
Oh,
हैं
that's cool.
जब भी मतलब आपका तनी मन
हाँ हाय का मतलब समझे क्या होता है
Hi.
आप जो बात कहे ना बस दिल में लग गई वो बात
कौन सी बात?
अरे भाई आप कैसे कह दिए कि हमारे यहाँ कोई रिश्तेदार
right
नहीं
here,
है
bro.
कोई यार
We're
दोस्त नहीं
both.
है ये नहीं दिखाई देता ये इतना बड़ा आदमी ये और हम
This huge man.
That's so loving.
वो मैंने मॉनिटर चेक किए 5,000 तक का आ जाएगा बढ़िया क्वालिटी का मैं मंगा दूंगा।
अरे आप कर लेंगे पूरा खर्चा हम सब देंगे
अरे नहीं
और उसका 1,000 रुपये लगा देंगे
I think that's like $60, right?
1 2 3 4,000 हुआ ना
4,000 तो क्या होगा हम 5,000 करके दिखाते हैं तुमको
Listen to the rich man.
Okay.
कि मम्मी से मांगो
Wait a minute.
कमरा मेरा ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है यहीं रहो बढ़िया आराम से कोई
okay.
पूछने वाला नहीं जब तक हम जिंदा हैं
देखिए जब बात हुई
तो अच्छा तब एक मिनट सेल्फी ले लेते हैं
Oh.
Nice.
He
Hey.
has his friends.
You got something to post now.
Yeah.
आप लोग नहीं देते कि भाई हम कभी हाथ नहीं लगाए
Yeah,
Anyone
right. Never again.
हाथ नहीं लगाए बियर में
That dance number really did something.
हम तो सिर्फ सेल्फी वाला आदमी हैं तो कोई
Smile guy. There you go.
थोड़ा मुस्कुरा भाई चलो सेल्फी
Man, old people always look up.
Right. No nostril.
No.
Top down.
That's really nice. Who the hell took the monitor?
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's gonna find the monitor.
Again. Here we go again. 9:20. Oh, that's just an
no.
alarm.
It's still something else.
God. Here we go again.
Oh my god.
Here we go again.
Door's open.
Hi.
The computer's missing.
Hi. Now for real, the computers. Ow.
That's a lot. Oh. What the?
Huh? Was it too heavy?
Maybe they dropped it in the field. What the heck? What's the note say?
को लगा टीवी था
That is amazing.
Someone took it and tried to use it.
Oh my god.
It didn't work. At least they said sorry. Who was it?
But they probably had to wait till they all left. Because
To bring it-
assuming they were in it like deep in the night,
There's
late
a lot
in the night.
going on. Oh my gosh.
I feel like this was so, it really caught on the spirit of like small towns, small villages where like
Yeah.
your family, it doesn't matter how long we've known you,
Right.
it doesn't matter. The community is so strong and present there. Like we saw that in the first episode, like when he first came, they're already like giving veggies,
Yep.
wanting to take care of him, even though they had not much, you know? And
No, that's true. They didn't have much. But
Yeah.
they were willing to give it.
yeah.
Yep.
Without a second thought, because anyone would do that for them. Just like
Yeah.
when the wedding happens, everyone pitches in. It's just you take care of each other.
the wedding. Boy.
I love that they went here. I love that he spoke up and used his voice
Mm-hmm.
to just give that truth like a space, you know, and what a difference it made, because then they all were like, oh, whoops, like
know.
he's lonely. We haven't been taking care of our friend that way, so let's start this thing now.
Yeah, this was the most touching episode to
Yeah.
me
Oh.
so far. You know, when the cop, 007, there,
God.
when he was questioning him and all of that, that was a funny character.
Great character.
But at that time, the friends didn't even realize what he was going through, and him talking about that and him finally blowing up a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, they realized, oh, wow, you know, he's lonely. All these things they didn't even realize.
Think about, yeah.
But then, and at the same time, I like at the end when his boss was like, hey, you offended me. by saying you didn't have any friends here. We're your friends. We're your family. No, I love that. And then icing on the cake, of course, was a brilliant finish.
With the
With
laptop.
the monitor being returned. Sorry, I thought it was a TV. That was hilarious.
And I love that wifey also was like Sherry knew
Yeah.
when like husband was feeling down, Pradhan was feeling down, and he's like, should I make some more?
Yeah.
Like, this is legit. God, what acting. Like
Yeah.
his eyes, the way they were glistening during that whole scene, I was so moved. That was excellent
He
work.
was really thinking about it. And we saw two people get pretty angry. We saw our main guy here, Abhishek.
Yeah.
And then also, his name is very hard to say. Brijbhushan Dubey.
Dubey, yeah.
Yeah.
Just Pradhan, like the
Yeah.
leader.
Pradhan, okay. But yeah, no, he lost it in the beginning, But then they know him so well
Yeah.
that he was like, don't take him too seriously.
Such a dad.
Yeah, don't take him too seriously. Once he calms down, he'll be fine. And we saw a really big change throughout the episode. By the end, he was completely different.
Totally.
No way he would kick him out. He loves
Pretty
him.
much immediately.
Yeah,
When he
yeah.
saw how
As
bad
soon
the
Right,
Abhishek
you're right.
was feeling, he was like
As
starting
soon
to
as
like,
he realized that. Yep.
yeah. It's
You're
like,
right.
wait, this guy pays attention. It's not the same as.
It's really good, man. The humor in this is so good. It's so subtle. The humor from the cop, playing detective. He probably doesn't have a lot of that going on there, so he's really kind of over
It's like
analyzing
his
a little
motive.
bit. Yeah.
He's ambitious.
No, that was great.
Brilliant. I love the camaraderie too when they're like, no, we'll all chip in for the monitor, like,
Yeah.
this is an us thing. Don't worry about it. Like,
Yeah. And
everyone makes mistakes. And
you're right.
I also love that the water tower is, for me, becoming really symbolic of when he's ready to step up and kind of deal with his fears. And
He's not ready to see how beautiful it is there.
ready to fall in love. Yeah,
You're right about that.
When he does, it will be such a turning point and reflective moment, I think.
One thing about this show, the music really drives the
Oh
show.
my God.
All throughout, there seems to be some music going on. It's never distracting. It always seems to put you in the right mood.
It's
When
so appropriate.
when it was when he was searching the mystery, trying to find the mystery and everything, trying to find the answers. The way the music changed and made you kind of wonder, hey, what's going on here? The music has done very well to set the mood in this.
And diverse too. We had like an English song in there that was very appropriate to what was going on.
Oh yeah.
Anurag Saikia.
Who is this? The composer?
Ashrangi by John.
haven't seen that.
One of my favorites. So good.
Oh.
So good. He's done things.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
He's busy. Wow. Gosh,
Yeah.
I don't know if I've seen any of these.
Oh really? He's very
I'm missing out over here.
He's really good at what he does. Bravo.
He's great. The
And
music is excellent.
Yeah.
Stellar.
It helps to bring a diverse audience to watch this too and relate to it, I think.
Yeah.
Because
I feel that.
this kind of story and this kind of situation, I think it's valid and relatable
Yeah, it's
everywhere.
relatable. Yeah, for sure.
But the music on top of that, really, I think unifies everything. So,
I can't find anything really wrong with this series at all
at all.
that I would change.
I love that Abhishek is also still a little hard to read sometimes, which is great because you want to know what he's thinking. You want to know
He's
what
still
he's
a little
going through.
reserved. Yeah.
Yeah. So that makes it fun to watch instead of it just being like digestible and easily predictable.
Yeah, we
right?
slowly get little pieces of him, which I like.
But overall, this is brilliant. I love the growth. I can't believe it's been 4 months. I thought it was longer. It felt like he'd been there a little longer.
It started to feel like that. Yeah.
Moved so fast through it, but that's cool. That means there's a lot more left to go. Did they say it was like a yearly thing, or it's just
For
indefinite?
the job?
Yeah.
I don't think it said.
Okay.
But I think he was saying work there for a year
And then
and then move
Get
on,
your-
or something like that.
take your cat.
Unless it wasn't a year contract, but I don't think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Well, it was fun to see him be a lightweight, and
Yeah. It
was-
like a hangover.
it was great too with the social media moment.
Yeah.
I thought that was great because coming from the city and that being so important, like to show what you're doing, to show your status, to be like doing things and being relevant versus a more rural life where it's like it's kind of silly. If
I'm glad you mentioned that
Right?
because I'm glad they touched on it because sometimes in these kind of films it almost pretends like it doesn't exist, but hey, it exists, and like
very
you,
much so.
you have service pretty much everywhere.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that they did something.
yeah,
Yeah.
and it's like there's more meaningful things, and there's no point lying.
Yeah.
I guess just for the sake of looking cool.
Definitely.
When you have real good friends waiting to picnic with you.
That's it.
That's right.
दिखाना जरा कैसा है हाँ देखिए अरे
That face, like you mofo.
He's at the village DMV.
Yeah,
हाँ तो ठीक है पहले वाला बना देंगे
that'll be
क्या बैंक
hilarious.
का फॉर्म भर रहे हैं क्या
Oh,
कैट का एग्जाम है उसके लिए
अच्छा अच्छा गुड तो कल 11 बजे आके
Tell her.
मिलेगा, हैं?
Oh damn.
what the drama?
अरे बैठने के लिए मना नहीं
Oh, honey.
Oh wow.
क्या हो गया
आइए सर देखिए ये लोग आपके मोटरसाइकिल में बैठे हुए हैं।
Oh
hell
no, you don't do that.
मतलब किसी को मोटरसाइकिल बैठने से पहले उसका डबल स्टैंड पे लगाने
अरे तो मत बैठो मत बैठो
Seriously.
अरे यार ये तो तुम मेरी
Boundaries.
बाइक पे बैठे हो, ऊपर से बदतमीजी कर रहे हो क्या बोला
Uh-oh.
Okay.
अब बदतमीजी
Yes,
कर रहे
you
हो
are
तो क्या बोलूं?
mannerless.
बेटा 10 मिनट रुक फिर
I'm gonna pull out my pocket knife. Oh.
Oh no,
Who's he gonna call?
he's got a posse.
राजू को फोन लगाइए ना
हाँ हाँ मुकेश भैया बोले बबलू अरे यार ये सुनील भैया की दुकान के सामने
Oh no.
Gosh.
What do you mean, guys?
10 मिनट रुको
Just wait 10 minutes. Just stand right there.
हट
Get off my bike.
Move, we're
yo.
going.
भैया ये फोटो लेने कल कितने बजे आएगा
Oh my god.
Oh no.
आओ बेटा
Oh my
11 बजे
gosh.
तुम्हें दिखाते हैं पत्ता
Hopefully he's doing him a solid.
गाली की मत करो गाली दे रहा है
पहले जा तो बे
अरे तू जाना
Hey
Wow.
man, you don't sit on somebody's bike.
Oh,
Oh, we're about to fight. Let's go.
रुकना 10 मिनट अब पैक
I said 10 minutes, bro.
Gotta call his posse.
चलते हैं 11 बजे दिखाते हैं उन लोगों की रंगबाजी कैसे होता है
It's like I know some guy.
Get my boys.
प्रधान जी को
Get gang fight.
वो लोग खुलेआम दिया है अब जवाब तो देना होगा ना सर उसको
कोई जवाब देने की जरूरत नहीं है इतना क्या ईगो हर्ट हो गया तेरा पता नहीं
You understand.
क्यों फालतू की टेंशन लेनी है
अरे आपको टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है प्रधान जी सब संभाल
Just
लेंगे
deal with it.
भाई मुझे नहीं पढ़ना इन चक्करों में तेरी बात समझ में नहीं आ रही क्या
कल जाइएगा 11 बजे वो लोग थूर थार दिया वहाँ तो फिर क्या कीजिएगा आप?
वो मैं देख लूंगा बच बचा के निकल जाऊंगा इनफैक्ट मैं 11 बजे जाऊंगा ही नहीं 2 बजे चला जाऊंगा
बहुत बढ़िया सर 2 बजे चले जाइए बहुत बढ़िया एमबीए की तैयारी कीजिए बहुत बढ़िया आत्मसम्मान नाम का भी कोई चीज होता है
Oh, that's right. That's all a man has in these parts. Rep is
नौकरी
everything.
करने वालों का कोई आत्मसम्मान नहीं
Too late.
Nope, I got none.
Cool.
Yeah, man, you gotta be wary.
Gotta do some recon. I would
Oh,
call ahead and be like,
Well, don't park right there.
right? Literally, I'd
Do
be
not
like,
park right there.
I'll be there in 2 seconds. Just
I would
throw
park
the pictures
like,
at me.
down the street. Yeah, right? I would slow down, you throw them.
Yeah.
ये फोटो देना
Oh. Smart.
दिमाग लड़ा दिया देखिए बात ऐसी है
Oh my god, they took them.
बबलू और डबलू दोनों हमारे गांव के लड़के हैं
Oh,
Oh
no.
my god.
क्योंकि वो दोनों हमारे गांव के हैं और आपका उनसे लड़ाई हो गया है
What?
आपका हमसे भी लड़ाई हो गया है
Oh
Come
my
on, with a
gosh.
smile.
Loyalty.
लड़ाई में हम उनकी तरफ से हैं ये कह रहे हैं अब गांव की बात है गद्दारी थोड़ी कर सकते हैं
Oh my gosh.
आपको 11 बजे आना था आप आए नहीं
I threw him out.
डब्लू और डब्लू के कहने पे हमको फोटो डिलीट करने पड़ गए
Oh, damn.
सब भाड़ में गए तुम और तुम्हारे वो डब्लू बबलू दुनिया भर की दुकानें हैं फकोली बाजार में कहीं और से खिंचवा लूंगा
ऐसी आपकी मर्जी
What?
आप तो भी बाजार में ही रहेंगे ना वो क्या है कि बबलू डब्लू बोल रहे थे कि आप आए तो हम उनको बता दें
Oh, dang.
Oh my
तो आप
gosh.
बाजार में कि भाग रहे हैं
Loyalty.
अरे सुनिए
So funny.
Just let me call them real quick.
He's like, wait.
Time for a selfie.
It's so funny. He's like, why don't you let them know?
Right? Which one is it?
ले आए फोटो
कल ऑफिस आते हुए तो एक सफेद चादर लेते
That's what I thought.
सफेद चादर का है
बैकग्राउंड के लिए
Mm-hmm.
अरे यार उन बदमाश लड़कों ने मेरी फोटो डिलीट करवा दी
अभी भी कह रहे हैं प्रधान जी को बता देते हैं, सब संभाल लेंगे वो। अभी भी खून नहीं पानी है पानी।
That's right.
Stand up for yourself, man. God. It's a loud fly. Where's that light coming from?
Right. That's why
From
I
the
was.
outside?
It's like, wait. I thought the solar light was only.
I know.
Oh, maybe it hasn't gone out yet.
Maybe.
कौन बोल रहा है?
सुना है कि तुम फोटो लेने के लिए 2 बजे पहुंचा था।
Wuss.
क्यों मेरे पीछे पड़े हो? क्या चाहिए तुमको?
अरे सोच रहे थे थोड़ा बदतमीजी दिखा दे तुमको।
भाई दिखा तो दिया, और कितना दिखाओगे?
ढंग से कहाँ दिखा पाए हैं, एक बार आओ ना पकौड़ी बाजार, ढंग से दिखाते हैं तुमको।
Oh my gosh.
ज्यादा बोल के काट लेगा बे।
अबे सुनना, जुबान संभाल के बात
Well,
कर।
there we go.
पकोली आकर
Oh my gosh.
There we go.
हाँ, आ जाऊंगा।
आ जाओ ना एक बार, उसी का तो इंतजार है तुम्हारा।
Uh-oh.
हिम्मत नहीं हो रहा है कहाँ?
Oh.
Oh, these guys are paper tigers.
ज्यादा गर्मी चढ़ रही है।
Here we go.
पता कब आना है?
एक काम करो, पकौली बाजार के पीछे वाले मैदान में आ जाओ, 3 बजे बताते हैं फिर।
ठीक है, आके नहीं करवाया ना तुम दोनों से।
Oh, wow. Let's go. Oh,
Come,
no,
son.
no, the beta. Woo. Okay, now we tell.
Okay.
Now we tell him.
Do we?
Way better.
We just go handle your bee's ass.
Right?
हाँ संभाल लेंगे।
Nice.
Okay.
आए प्रहलाद।
और क्या किसी डरते हैं क्या?
बोले थे सर।
साथ में और लोग भी लगेंगे।
अरे एक राइफल लेके चलें, किसी की जरूरत नहीं।
Oh, damn.
There
You're
you
right
go.
about that.
तो क्या एक आध गणासा भी ले लें?
You're right.
Uh-huh.
नहीं, राइफल तो ज्यादा हो जाएगा। कुछ और काम भी तो हो सकते हैं, बेल्ट, डंडा।
Belt. My guy.
Belt.
आपको
Somebody's
leather
daddy.
jacket है?
So you can look cool.
Does it have a leather jacket?
ठीक है, 2:30 बजे पहन के आ जाइए
You
आप।
gotta look real cool.
लेदर के जैकेट में ना
He's not wrong.
साफ कर लेते हैं।
Oh my god.
Damn, he's gonna bring his rifle too.
प्रधान जी 5-6 गोली से तो काम हो जाएगा ना?
Oh my gosh. Say, be cool, be cool.
प्रधान जी
He's like, I know what I'm
राइफल
doing.
हमको दीजिएगा, हम टांगेंगे।
I'm like, what is happening? Yeah, let's go.
Let's escalate this shit.
Got the shades. Love the music.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
In sync.
where's your leather jacket?
It's
I can't. No one in a dhoti? Come on. It did his hair and everything. Let's
Let's go.
Okay, they brought 4 guys.
That's all you got?
They dressed up too.
Uh-huh.
बहुत समय लग रहा है, करो फोन वोन।
Need a leather jacket, bro.
All right.
Oh, they have 6 guys.
Watch out now.
ये दोनों कहाँ रह गए?
Stop it.
किसी पीछे तो आ
Better hurry up.
Stop it.
पगला या बहुत हिम्मत
Traffic.
वाला। अकेले लड़ने चला गया।
Oh, hold on. Give me 10 minutes.
2-4 मिनट रुक जाओ, हमारे और आदमी आ रहे हैं।
अब आपकी बारात बुला रहे हो?
किसको बुला रहा है बे?
रैम्बो को बुला लेना, देख लेंगे।
Oh, are you sure about
You don't
that?
want Rambo. Oh my God, it broke down.
They
Wait.
legit ran out of gas. My God.
We're 15 minutes away.
अरे आप घबराइए नहीं, हम पहुंच रहे हैं। वो
Give us
क्या है कि
15.
थोड़ा गाड़ी पंचर हो गया है तो प्रहलाद घसीट के ला रहा है।
अरे प्रधान जी, पंचर ही तो हुई है, आप बैठ के आ जाओ ना, पेट्रोल थोड़ी खत्म हुआ है।
टायर में कीला घुस गया है,
Oh
और
my
वजन से
God.
बैठेंगे ना फिर तो ट्यूब फट जाएगा।
Bad news.
प्रधान जी आ जाओ, ये लोग पहुंच गए यार, वेट कर रहे हैं लोग।
अरे अभी 3
You
बजे
guys
5
just
बचा हुआ है
wait.
भाई।
अरे
Still
मुझे क्या
5
पता था
minutes
ये लोग टाइम
Oh, that's true. They're very,
Right.
punctual. They're so punctual.
Get on.
Let's go.
Get on,
We'll mess
let's
up this
go.
inner tube. He's yawning.
It's funny. Veer Das just did a whole Netflix special, and this was part of it, where he's like, he accidentally bumped into some guy, and that guy was like, "Meet me after the song
Oh my
outside,"
God.
and so they were like just awkwardly dancing for 5 minutes.
अबे हमारा
This is like the longest song
Oh
ever.
my gosh.
इतना खर्चा करके लेदर का बेल्ट
To see
निकाले।
that. Spend a fortune on this belt.
हमारा का नाम पैंट ढीला है ना, निकल जाएगा।
What do you say about dancing naked?
Uh-huh. It might happen. Accidentally.
पहन लो पहले, वरना पैंट निपक जाएगा लड़ते लड़ते तुम्हारा।
There's your weapon.
That's right. He was right about the belts.
अरे लड़ाई झगड़ा कुछ नियम कानून होता है, कम से कम आ तो जाने तो जितने लोग आ रहे हैं।
गिरो रे सब
अरे
गिरो।
Oh man.
आ रहे हैं कुछ लोग।
करवाएगा तू? हैं? अब बेटा हम करवाएंगे।
अरे क्या कर रहे हो यार?
हाँ बेटा बोले है ना कपड़ा उतार तुरंत।
Oh no.
तुम तमीज से बात करो।
ओ तमीज
बात उधर हो रही। हाँ तो तमीज से बात करो।
ए तमीज अभी कपड़ा उतार वरना ये चमड़ा का बेल्ट है ना दे पे देंगे समझे?
यार हमारे कुछ आदमी आ रहे हैं, आ जाने दो।
तुम्हारे पास यहाँ एक ही रास्ता है, चुपचाप यहाँ पर करो और निकल जाओ यहाँ, समझे?
बहुत गर्म आदमी हो
यार तुम लोग बात बहुत कर रहे हो यार।
पेलो
जल्दी।
Oh, just hold my watch.
ये भी तो कपड़ा लगता है।
सारे बकैती कर रहा है। उतार प्रोग्राम चालू कर।
Man, come on, you were the big talker.
Boys.
वाली बात मैंने ऐसे ही बोल दी थी, सच में थोड़ी कोई करवाता है।
Wow, reneging. Come on.
अरे यार उतारो वरना बजाना शुरू कर। उतार ए मदद कर इसको उतार।
Don't do it. At least
Man,
try
come
to fight.
on.
भाई
Bro.
व्हाट्सएप कर।
Too easy.
Bro.
Too easy.
What are you guys doing?
गाना लगवाएगा?
कजरारे लगा दो।
He knew exactly which song.
कहाँ आ गए? हम तो यहीं खड़े हैं।
He went to the wrong
Which
place.
field?
हाँ तो मंदिर से राइट लेके आए, पीछे से एक मैदान सा है, वहाँ आ जाइए।
अरे उनको बोलो यार यहाँ से लेफ्ट ले लो, शॉर्ट पड़ेगा।
नंगा नंगा कहाँ
How dare they?
They gave him directions.
पानी है, आप भी पानी। प्रधान जी नंगा करवा रहे हैं हम।
The rifle.
Put that back on. Put that back on.
हट पीछे हट।
Yeah.
लाट चाटते बाहर निकलेगा। बंदूक देके हाथ में आना अभी।
Oh, now they're talking shit.
हमको चिड़िया मारने वाली बंदूक लग रही।
Oh
my gosh.
Bet.
यार टी शर्ट असली बंदूक है, लड़ाऊ चंद नहीं तो।
असली तो चलाइए फिर।
हाँ चलाओ।
दिखाइए चला के, दिखाओ।
चलाओ।
Oh my
Oh
God.
man, calling their bluff.
Calling for real.
ये बबलू कौन है रे?
हमें बबलू
तू बबलू है? हाँ तुम्हारे बाप का क्या नाम है?
जगमोहन।
Yeah, that's right.
कौन से गांव का?
There we go.
Here we
आधार कार्ड
go.
बनाएंगे।
आधार कार्ड नहीं बेटा, ये रहबट में हम सुधार कार्ड बना देंगे तुम्हारा।
There we go.
ये वृद्धाश्रम जाने की उम्र में ना ये लड़का लोग के झगड़े मत पड़िए। एक बेल्ट घुमा उसका लग जाएगा पीछे, समझे ना? चलिए हटिए यहाँ से।
Oh hell
No.
How
You crossed the
dare
line.
you. Dube G.
Is he gonna lose it? Come on.
Let's go. City boy. Let's go.
Oh, here we go.
He put his hoodie on backwards.
देख कर अबे उठाना चाचा
उठा आरती उठा।
Oh hell no. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, if it's fake. There you go.
नकली बंदूक से कैसे?
Show you how to kill
There
with
you go.
the roll.
I love how they're all running.
निकाल निकाल बैठ निकाल।
They're hiding behind the tree.
Oh my god.
जाके बचाओ ना बाबू भैया को।
Oh my god.
जंगली हो गया।
Look at how fast he got over that bike.
Yeah, right? Oh, no, somebody got a break. Oh, no, don't
Missed
say the
by a
other
mile.
guy.
All talk.
Oh, no.
Come on. Oh, are we begging now?
He's doing fine. Take your clothes off. Dance.
हाथ कैसे लगा? प्रधान जी को हाथ कैसे?
Handle him.
To handle you.
Animal.
All right. Come on, make him dance nude.
Right? Let's go.
Clothes off.
Start stripping.
छोड़िए जाने दिए।
Look at that face. Woo!
He's so tough.
सिंगल स्टैंड पे खड़ी है, गिर जाना साथ।
हम तो है ना कभी बाइक पे बैठे नहीं है, ऐसे कैसे गिर जाते पे?
कैसे गिर जा? मैं बताता हूँ। दिखाता हूँ।
Let me show
This
you
is
how.
how. This is how. See?
एकदम से पागल आदमी।
Wow.
Why?
Wow. But his rep right now.
इसके पहले कि उठ जाना, कट लो, चलो चलो।
You okay, bro?
He ain't okay.
ललाट से लाल लाल क्या निकल रहा है?
Oh my god. Yeah. Lala, not good. No. No.
Hospital.
There goes his cat.
Oh no, his head. Oh, it ain't that big.
With the band-aid.
आप तो कह रहे थे कहीं और फोटो खिंचाएंगे। अरे
नहीं मतलब अच्छा कि आप आ गए आप
Oh, now he's got a rep.
That's right.
Crazy guy.
Hard ass animal. The hat.
Weapon. No, this is the weapon.
Mad Dog.
नीचे देख लीजिए।
Secretary.
नहीं मतलब कोई दबाव नहीं है मने तो देखिए नहीं तो
क्या हो गया
Wherever
ऐसी
you
क्यों बात
want to
कर रहे हो?
look.
नहीं नहीं
Oh my God. Word spread.
वो फोटो डिलीट कर दी तो उसके लिए
My
माफ कर
bad.
दीजिए
You want to smile or?
अच्छा ठीक है फोटो खींचो
पहले माफ कीजिए
अरे यार आप फोटो
अरे नहीं उठी मत खींचिए
He's feared now.
Oh my God.
That's great.
Yes. Abhishek, Mad Dog,
Excellent.
Animal.
Excellent. Oh,
That was so fun.
one of my favorites so far.
That was so fun.
That was hilarious.
I was not expecting that to be on the list for what we would see him go through.
No.
But kind of awesome.
Gang fight.
Again, we see the dynamics of the village and how like people are all like,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah,
and there's no.
They don't have much to do,
I
so that's
know.
exciting.
But no one actually wants to like hit each other or like get in real fights. It's
Right.
all just like bravado and like mouthing off.
Yeah. It was kind of
On
funny
both sides.
Yeah, when they were getting ready to go to the fight after they finally were getting their group together, and he was talking about getting the rifle, and then you see the look from the buddy, like he knows it's a fake rifle, right? Because he was so worried. Oh, you're taking a rifle? That's taking it too far.
Yes.
No, that was great.
That was amazing. Oh, Vikas. That's his name.
Oh, Vikas.
Duh.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Vikas Prahlad.
I like him.
They're
He's
so
great.
amazing.
We got to see a little fire from him. He was
That's
not happy
right.
about them sitting on his bike.
He's usually so sweet and like friendly and like appeasing,
Yeah.
like a peacekeeper almost.
Yeah, but you see that he's willing to kind of like fight for his people.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Like,
This is
defend
your
his
honor. Like you got to do something.
Yeah. That was excellent though when they all got together and you know they're getting ready to go.
Breaking
They were
walnuts.
there for their friend.
They really.
Even though it didn't work out the way they hoped.
The best part was when they needed the directions. It's like, no,
Oh,
go
no.
go
That
to the
was
left.
hilarious.
It's a shortcut. Don't
When the
go
other
around
guys
the
are
temple.
like trying to tell him how to get there. It's so like
so brilliant.
Yeah, no, the whole
so
setup and
brilliant.
everything was so kind of like hilariously respectful.
Yeah.
Like the guy's like, "Oh, you just wait 10
Boundary.
minutes,"
Just
and
like,
he's
I
not
wa-
understanding. Like, why would you not wait 10 minutes? I got backup coming.
And then when it was flipped too, they're like, we got more guys coming. Come on, there's rules to a fight. You
Yeah,
can't just
man.
start this.
Follow
you know?
the
Like,
rules.
come on, man.
Oh, that was funny.
Where's the honor?
But I like that we saw Abhishek really. He was holding back until he saw his what are the what? my God.
Dubeji, like, yeah.
Prabhan. What's his?
No,
Brubabesh.
Prahlad.
I'm so sorry. Bhushan.
Pradhan.
Yeah, Pradhan. Okay, I'm just
Pradhan.
gonna say Pradhan. from now
Pradhan.
on. When they knocked him over, that set him off. That
Instantly.
I love that because then you get to see, hey man, this is like family now. You know, that's his
Disrespect,
buddy.
like for real.
Yeah.
First of all, he's an elder. Second of all, he's
Yeah.
like the leader of the village. Third of all, that's my guy.
Yes.
How dare you?
Yeah. This is the only episode so far, I think, where we didn't see his wife, Manju.
Yeah.
We didn't see her at all, did we?
No.
No.
We didn't.
This is all
I
about the
miss her.
guys. What a great episode. You know, the cool thing about this, it reminds me of shows like how The Office or Seinfeld are they're like standalone episodes.
Yeah.
Like you don't have to have watched any of the other episodes and you could hop into one of these and
Just enjoy it.
enjoy the whole thing.
Yeah.
Even without really knowing who they are.
Totally. But we're
Excellent.
getting great character work as always. So brilliantly written.
So good. You know, you kind of think, oh man, we're going to get a little bit of action here.
Yeah.
But it turns into just comedy, but it's still just as satisfying as seeing some action.
And the loyalty.
Yeah.
The photographer, he was just like, oh, you mess with my
They're
guys
from
from
my
my village.
Yeah, no, I don't think you
Mess with
understand,
me.
man. I'm on the other side here.
Then how quickly that turns when
Gosh.
they figure out what an animal he is.
Yeah, at the end, he moves the guitar out of the way so he doesn't beat him with it. That's so cool, though, because now he has a rep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is great because,
Oh, it's
again,
excellent.
he's finding his voice and his place in the world and who
Yeah.
he is and what that means. And we love it. It's not just like doing what you're supposed to do. It's just figuring
it's
it
cool,
out.
man, because then we see they're actually becoming like a real group of friends
Yeah.
now.
They have a
I love
WhatsApp
that. Yeah.
group and
Yeah,
everything.
they have
It's
a
like
WhatsApp
legit.
That was a good one.
I love it. We got how many more?
We have 2 more in this season.
2 more. Okay.
Cool.
Guys, let's jump
All
right
right, what's
into it.
happening here?
Follow along and you know what to do. Say hello. I'm Vivian Day here with
Brandon Sheely.
See you so soon.